So there you have it. Tell me what you think. I believe this is probably one of the greatest two-chord songs ever written. It's just cracking, and when and I did promise you to explain a little bit that Chris Stapleton vocal riff that he does. In the second line in the chorus, where he goes, "You're as warm as a glass of brandy." What he's doing there is warm as a glass of brandy. If you want to trace that down there, the notes that he plays, you'll see it there if you kind of go back and look at this video. It's a bit of a monster embellishment, vocally speaking, but that's the song. It's a great song, Tennessee Whiskey. Get your chops around it. See if you can play it nice and smoothly on your own. It's beautiful and tasteful and spacious, catchy as all get out, and thanks for watching. See you next time.